So for Tech Buzz new video, we've got the Z1 watch in from imoo, and it's a new kids watch, and ideally perfect for going back to school, which is coming up, and we're giving away some free stuff if you purchase this or whatever the case is, if you want to have a look at the site. And we get the watch like so, in this band, in this nice yellow box, and we'll peel off these tags and get straight into it. And it is a pink colour, and under here I presume is the rest of the goodies. So you've got your cable here, and you have got a proprietary charger, as you can see, and USB, and you have got your booklet there for use, and there is something else in there. Let's see what that is. And it's for the SIM card, so yeah, pretty nice. So you can put a SIM into the watch, which is really cool. So let's take off the strap, or the cover should I say. And that's pretty much what it looks like there. So in comparison to standard watches, so there's one of mine there and another one that I'm wearing. You can see the size of it there, and it looks pretty nice in there, and your SIM goes in the back here, and you've got your charging connection up on top here, and this is the power cable, it looks at it. It's probably totally flat, and you've got some what appear to be buttons on the side, but they don't seem to press, but we'll check that out further in the review. So it's overall got a nice, oh, this come on there, so we'll just press agree. So that's what it looks like there, and you'll insert your SIM card, and we'll press restart now to get a look at kind of what the screen does look like there on the front. So you got a camera up on front as well, which is pretty nice. A decent strap as well, robust body, and fairly solid looking product indeed, especially for a kid. And this is basically what it's just going to look like here for the moment. Anyway, so we need a SIM card to get things going, and we'll pop one of them in and see how it works when we check it out during our review period. So it does come in loads of different colours, and you've got make friends written on the side there, nothing on this side here, but you can see how robust this is. You've got nice pins holding the straps on there, and it's a decent strap as well, and you've got plenty of manoeuvrability in it there for tightness and so on, with two straps here to hold in the other side, and a double clasp on the actual piece there on top. Compared to most, you just get one, you know, so you have two on this, and that's basically it. So we'll have a full review soon. Check out the details on our site. We have this linked up with a blog post, what they're doing, so it just gives you some information here. If we swipe, and you have all this stuff in here. You've blind code, chat, add friends, steps, you have your camera, alarm clock, shake, messages, settings, and stopwatch. So the display brightness there, you've got ringtone, you've software, about language, selection, privacy statement, and rejected history. So it's working this way. So add contacts through the app, so you add your contacts through the app there, and that's pretty much it there. So it's gone back to the start again. So I'll give you some idea of what to expect. It's light as well, it's not very heavy, which is nice, and overall the build is plastic, and you'll insert your SIM card in there. That's really about it. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing of the imoo Z1 smartwatch for kids, built in with camera as well, and of course you'll need a SIM card there, so it saves the need to carry your mobile phone with them, so your parents can contact you, and it's waterproof and all that kind of stuff as well. So you've got a lot going there for a nice little product here. Might be a little big for some kids, comparing the size of this here, but we'll wait and see. I'll just get my daughter, check it out, and we'll come back to you with more in the full review soon. So go to techbuzzon.com and see more in the link below to where you can pick her up and what else you get with the watch. But this is just a quick first look at the boxing today to give you an idea, and you can see more on the site then. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching. And the company sent this over, didn't pay us any compensation or seeing this video at the same time as you, like all our tech reviews and previews. So talk to you in the next one. See you then.